Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do my BoxyCharm unboxing. I really wanted to do it. I know that is something that I don't know if still people does it. I like what I got in my boxes for this month. I have the subscription for the base box, for the premium, and also for the Luxe. But for this month I got the premium and I got the base. For the base I got a lot of skincare actually for both of them. That's why I really wanted to do this. This is the theme for this month. It says flourished. I like it a lot. It is very inspirational for myself. The first item that I got, or the first item that I saw that I had in my box, it is this from Murad. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I'm not gonna use it at this moment because it is day and I want to use it as it is supposed to be used. This is a detoxifying and revitalized skin overnight. This retails for $74. The next product that I have, Skin Inc. My daily dose of Uplift. This is a skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid. This I'm gonna use. This retails for $65. Other product that I got, it is this I think it is Beekman 1802. This is a Dewy Eye Illuminating and DepuffingEye Serum, which I desperately need at this moment. This is a say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinical proven eye serum. This retails for $42. This Mann Kadar Beauty Pluck 2 pieces tweezer set. I love tweezers, so for me this is a yay and a plus in my box. I haven't tried them yet, which I can say if they are good or not, but I'm hoping that they are great. And last but not least, I got this Ciate London Shadow Flip. This is a liquid eyeshadow that retails for $20, and the tweezers, which I didn't say, they retail for $18, and this is the actual liquid shadow. And for my premium, I also got a couple of products for skincare. This is the first one that I saw. This is the Bloomeffects Royal Tulip Nectar. This is a healing ointment to serum hydrator, smooth, nourish, and help repair the skin barrier. This retails for $65. The next product in my box is this from Odacite, which probably I'm botching that. This is a BL+C, Pimples, Black Cumin and Cajeput Serum Concentrate. This is formulated for problem skin. These potent serums help to reduce the appearance of blemish. Oh, I don't have problems with acne, so I'm gonna skip this one because I have nothing in my skin to actually test it. So this one, I wish I won't have to try it, but I'm curious about it, so as soon as I get a pimple I would use it. That one retails for $36. Luxe+Willow 4 pieces reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. I'm so happy that I got this because I was thinking about buying again the Shiseido cotton something, which everybody loves and I do as well, but I didn't want it to get them because it is a lot of waste. So this actually will help me not buy them. So yay for this. This retails for $20. This from Too Faced. This is the Melt Chocolate Eyeshadow. This is a 2-in-1 white liquid eyeshadow formula, which delivers rich, intense, and chocolate-scented matte color in skin-centric cocoa tones. This retails for $21. This is supposed to be waterproof wear. I got this Bite Beauty Agave+Daytime lip balm. This retails for $16. I really wanted to have this, and I am really happy that I didn't have to buy it myself. And last but not least, I got this Laruce Beauty On The Go set. This is 3 brushes, and this retails for $96. I have only washed my face today. I didn't apply anything else because I knew I had products for my skin. I think I want to start first with the Bloomeffects. This is the packaging of the product. It has a really strange texture. But this is how it actually looks. I don't know, this is very strange, but I hope it does a wow. And it is hot. It scoop a pea-sized amount into hands, a pea-sized amount, and I did a little bit more than that. Rub the product between fingers and apply a thin layer directly into face. Massage it until rich nectar sink into your skin. Oh, I took a lot more than a pea-sized amount, if I'm gonna be honest, but I hope it does well. So let me just remove a little bit my bands from my face. There. And when I was rubbing it between my hands, it started to heat. I hope that this doesn't disrupt my foundation. Really hope. But it feels so, I don't want to use the word greasy, but yeah, in a way. Now I'm not so sure if I should, but I'm gonna do it still. I'm going to apply this serum. It has a dropper, and I think I read someplace that at least like 2 to 3 drops. So now I'm just going to press it into my skin. Serums, I press them into my skin. I don't rub them. I'm gonna go for the eye serum. Comes in a little pouch. That's nice. It says apply pea-sized amount under eyes, on lids, and around the orbital bone every morning and evening to look and feel refreshed. Ah, it's very liquidy. This isn't the finger that you are supposed to be using, but since I made a mess, I will have to make do. And I'm going to massage this into my under eye and my lids and my orbital bones. I think we are done prepping the skin. I thought I was going to use a primer today, but I think not, because it's really tacky to the touch. I'm gonna breeze through my complexion stuff because I'm gonna use the brushes. Oh, I forgot, before starting to do my complexion, I'm going to apply the Agave lip balm. This is the packaging of it, and this is the actual balm. At least you get a lot of product. And I'm going to apply it. It's a really thick balm, which I like. I'm gonna use this LR 322 kabuki brush to apply my foundation. Now I'm gonna switch to this brush. This is the LR 308 highlighter, because I'm going to apply that to my complexion. The face is done, and now I'm gonna go to the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Matte Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Tiramisu Me. This is the actual packaging of the... Oh, this is a lot more taupe of what I thought. Yeah, I think it will make do even better. I would love I don't know if I can use this as a lipstick, but I would love a shade like this. This mauvey taupey shades are my favorite. And I'm going to blend the shadow. Turned out to be a lot more purple lilac than as I thought that it would. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit in the back of my hand, because I want to apply this in my lower lash line. And I don't think that I see much of a difference in my under eye. I remember that I used that serum for the puffiness and to make your eyes look more better. I think my eyes look exactly the same as they did before I start, but maybe that's me. I think I'm going to use the last brush from the set. This is an angle one. The other eye. And last but not least, I'm gonna use the Ciate Shadow Flip. And I'm gonna use my finger to blend it. So sweets, this is it. This is the look that I got with almost everything that my BoxyCharms brought my way. I complement, obviously, my makeup look with a couple of things that I already own, meaning my complexion. And also I did a wing liner, which I don't remember the last time that I did that to myself. Also, I line my lips and I apply mascara and a little bit of the same highlighter that I use in my face. I applied it in my inner corner. I think that besides that, and also I filled in a little bit my eyebrows. So this is what I came with. Let's just recap and let's see how everything did. Firstly, I didn't got to use this 4 products. This one because I don't have any pimples or blemishes or anything that it would need a product like this. The Murad one because it is an overnight mask. It is the middle of the day, so no, not yet. The Tweezers also, I wasn't in the need to pluck my eyebrows. And last but not least, the pads, but I will use them. The Bloomeffects moisturizer, I like this, but I'm going to use it in the days that I know that I'm not gonna wear makeup because I was a little scared how my foundation was going to wear or how they were going to work together. This foundation that I'm wearing today, usually I don't have to set it, but today I really did because it was really tacky. Serum, which I didn't see any smooth or lifting. Skincare are things that you have to keep on using in order to actually see something. The other thing that I used was the serum for the eyes. I didn't see that it did anything, but let's just excuse it saying that it is a skincare thing and it needs a couple of tries and a period of time to actually do something, but as in a quick noticeable thing, no, it didn't. I didn't see anything. My under eye is looking the same way as it did when I started the video. So that is that. I like the lip balm. Still, you feel that you have something in your lips. It isn't something thick, but you know that you have something in your lips, so at least it's kind of a little bit of a long wearing. I enjoy the brushes. I'm not saying that they are the most amazing thing, but this one, I think I'm gonna like it a lot, but I'm gonna use it either for doing strokes in my eyebrows or to do a wing liner with a gel or a shadow one. I really like the handle because it helps you have a good grip in it, and I love how they look. The ferrule is so nice to see. And the last 2 items are the liquid eyeshadows. I like this one. I like the shade. The only thing is that in myself, this kind of shade looks like I'm really tired and I didn't sleep at all. It is really good. You apply it, you have enough time to blend it, it blends evenly, and when it sets, it really sets. It doesn't move, it doesn't budge, it doesn't anything, it doesn't crease. Also, this one, it is the same thing. It dries a lot more quicker than this one, but still you have time to blend it. Also, it dries and it doesn't, the same thing, the same behavior as this one. But this is supposed to be a multi-chrome, and if you see it in the tube, it actually does look like a multi-chrome, but in my lids, I don't think so. It looks kind of looks like I have this color in my entire eye, one and done eyeshadow look, which I don't. In the other hand, as in liquid eyeshadow, it is a really good one, but the multi-chrome thing, it doesn't show. or it doesn't show in myself. Let's just put it like that. So sweet, this is it. I really like my BoxyCharms, regardless of whatever happened with the color of this eyeshadow. But I enjoyed a lot having skincare products in my BoxyCharms. Not everybody does, but I really do. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.